Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to bring in my corals that I made. We're going to get this out of the way because I'm going to show you how easy that will come off of there now. Then the foil, pull it up.
Wow.
Simple. I mean, just absolutely simple. And so think about that. Now understanding where we're headed, folks?
Mm-hmm.
I know. It's going to be great. Okay. So I've got that piece there. I've got these pieces down here. So I want to kind of build little shelves in there as well. So I'm just going to pick from behind me here a couple of really great little pieces. And I'm going to start from down here. I'm going to move that over there. Hopefully that won't be in your way so I can get this closer to me. Not that you need to see me, you just need to see, I need to see what I'm doing. All right, see this little piece? It's got that little edge there. I'm going to bring my pot over this way, and I'm just going to dip it into there, and I'm going to bring it over, and I'm going to create a shelf right there. If you haven't gone deep sea diving, it's really amazing. I snorkel, but I don't dive. My husband dives, and he always finds it phenomenal. But I watch a lot of different shows on it, and it looks fantastic. I'm gonna put that shelf there. If you break pieces off, don't worry about it. Just move them out of your way. So I'm going to bring in this piece down here, just a little dip. I'm going to bring it right into there. All right, just set it down. Then I'm going to reach back here and I'm going to get more of my pieces. See, it takes a while to build all the pieces, but then once you have the pieces, it's a good go. All right, remember the grass we made? Remember these pieces we made? We're going to use these. We're going to dip and stick. I'll turn that a little bit for you. We're going to come back and we're going to get another one. Yep. And stick. You can hold them as you do them. Nobody's going to take your points away because you have to hold on to something. Move that a little bit. And let those dry just a second or two. Those two are good. That one should be good.
And you just dip those into the hot
this is
Isomalt?
this is the hot Isomalt, and you can just normally drop a couple of nuggets in there, plug it in, and it will heat itself. I just don't like to have that time, and so I just heat it in the microwave and go for it that way.
So that's your glue.
That's my glue. Yeah, exactly. That's my glue. I'm going to use a little dab back there because that piece will hold right into that fondant there then. All right, I'm going to turn it this way just a tad. Remember my little pieces down here? The little painting that I did? So now we're going to put the smaller pieces of our sugar right inside of there. Bring them down. Bring them out. All right. So however you want to play with it, it's yours to do. If you pop a top off of one, just bring it away. I have all these really cute little ones. There we go. And then I'm going to bring in a little bit of my sugar. Maybe just off the bottom there.
Quick question.
Yes?
Is that little pot you're using, is that actually called a candle warmer?
No, it actually warms and keeps glue guns, the glue sticks hot. Yeah,
Okay.
it actually has a little spot
Okay.
here that you can put a glue stick into, and it goes down inside and does that. And it keeps it warm so that when you're gluing, it's a matter of dip and stick it and go from there.
Okay, another quick question. And isn't it true that even though Isomalt is edible, you probably shouldn't eat a lot of it?
Everything in moderation. Oh my word, moderation. I would love to sit down and eat an entire container of chocolate ice cream, but I know that I cannot without becoming ill. So Isomalt works just that same way, everything in moderation. you can probably consume, you know, these pieces and be perfectly fine without any trouble whatsoever. If you decide to sit down and for whatever reason you just got this wild hair, you're going to eat an entire bag. As you go to the library, just take a good book with you and you're going to be set and you're good to go then.